The federal opposition says the government has done an embarrassing backflip, reinstating the Indigenous health portfolio 2 days after axing it. The government says it hasn't, and it was always firmly committed to improving Indigenous health. Jane Barden reports.
Your Excellency, I present the Honourable Warren Edward Snowden MP.
He's the off-again, on-again Federal Indigenous Health Minister. Warren Snowden's portfolio was axed. Today he was sworn in after a last-minute reinstatement.
We were very concerned that this portfolio had been lost, particularly by Warren Snowden, who has, over the last 3 years, shown that he has a pretty good understanding of what's needed to be done.
The Territory opposition says it's good the government listened to concerned health groups and Indigenous communities, but the turnaround demonstrates a lack of foresight.
They were caught out and they've made an embarrassing backflip and now put Warren Snowden in that position.
Warren Snowden denies his reinstatement is a backflip.
The Prime Minister took the view, and I think it was a very good view, in consultation with Minister Roxon and myself, that we should make sure that we continue the role of Minister for Indigenous Health.
Some groups feel Warren Snowden hasn't had the power and resources needed to effectively tackle Indigenous health, that up to now the Indigenous Affairs Minister Jenny Macklin and Health Minister Nicola Roxon have kept tight control.
The onus is on him now to actually get on and do the things that he says he can do.
The Federal Coalition leader Tony Abbott has announced he's keeping Territory Senator Nigel Scullion as his Indigenous Affairs spokesman. He's also appointed Maurice Payne as his Indigenous Employment spokeswoman. But the Coalition hasn't appointed a separate Indigenous health spokesperson to shadow Warren Snowden. Jane Barden, ABC News.